Silent landscapes, deeper meanings, a conversation with nature. Hello, my name is Lunaria, and today I'm not here to tell a story. I'm here to share a feeling. Nature, it's always around us, yet so often we pass by without truly noticing it. We live in a world that moves fast, screens flashing, minds rushing, moments slipping away. But nature still moves slowly. It doesn't compete for attention, it simply waits. The gentle morning light, shadows dancing between trees, the soft touch of wind on your skin, and that quiet, earthy scent after rain, these small details speak if we allow ourselves to listen. Nature reminds us that beauty doesn't always arrive with noise. Sometimes, the most powerful moments are the ones wrapped in silence. I've noticed that when we spend time in nature, something inside us begins to soften, thoughts slow down, breathing becomes deeper, and the heart, even for a moment, finds calm. Nature never teaches us perfection. Instead, it teaches us truth. No leaf is identical, no mountain is flawless, yet everything belongs. That lesson is easy to forget in a world obsessed with perfection. Standing beside a quiet lake, watching your reflection ripple in the water, you realize something important: we are not separate from nature. We are part of its rhythm. This awareness makes us gentler, more patient, more grateful. For centuries, nature has inspired creativity in words, in colors, in melodies. But perhaps its greatest gift is teaching us how to slow down, to pause, to observe, to truly live. Today, as forests grow thinner and skies grow heavier, nature asks us a simple question: will you only admire me, or will you protect me? Caring for nature isn't just about planting trees, it's about protecting balance, respecting life, and preserving a future for those who come after us. So if one day the world feels overwhelming, if everything feels loud and heavy, return to nature. It won't give you answers, but it will bring you back to yourself. I'm Lunaria, and this was a quiet conversation with nature. Please subscribe for more videos.